sexy legs as she struts her stuff on the runway, wearing her beautiful gray feather dress brought to you by Versace. Now these guys are firstborn, they are covered.
That was a little bird. That was a little bird.
I'm kidding. Here are Chilean flamingos, and they can be found in South America. When they first hatch, they're solid gray in color and develop these beautiful pink feathers in 2 to 3 years. Do you know how they get their color? A group of 6 species. Fossils can be found dating back.
Ready? How about you, audience? Audience, are you ready? That's what he likes to hear. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go, Sunny, go! Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Great job, Riley. And great job to all of our volunteers.
Let's play chess, Skyler.
Okay.
Ready to play chess?
Yeah, we could cake it and then we could attach it. We have something like a string attached to it, and then Mom say run.
She gonna run like that?
Yeah.
You put it around your neck like it's real. You like it?